How to remove bank account from Stash. Stash is a financial technology company based in the United States that provides an online platform and mobile app for investing, banking, and trading. In order to remove bank account from Stash, you have to first log in to stash.com. Click on Login option. Enter your email as well as your password, and then just click on the option called Login in order to sign into your account. From the top right-hand side, you'll be able this is little profile icon. Click here. Click on External Bank Account. So here first you have to add another bank account to remove this bank account, otherwise you can't remove this. So to add bank account, click here. You can add another bank account by this process. After that, you can see Remove option for previous bank account. That's it. Thanks for watching.